Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a calendar to your website in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a calendar for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a calendar page, I will create a new page. So go to pages and navigation, click on add page. Let's create a new empty page. Select new empty page. This is the header section and this is the footer. So I will add a new blank section. Select add blank section. And now this is my calendar page. Let's add a big title. My calendar. Let's push this here. And now go to this website called commonninja.com. I will zoom on the site name, commonninja.com. Then go to widgets, click on see all widgets. Now search for calendar. You will see two widgets. Click on the calendar one. You will visit this page, click on create calendar button. And this is my new calendar. Click on add an event. Here you can start, use a start date. From here, you can also go with an end date. You can go with all day, no. Recurring events, doesn't repeat monthly, for example. The total recurrence. Or here, fill in your event title, for example, I'm not sure, for example, donation day. Here, fill in your location for your event, for example, downtown. Now describe this event. This event is for donation. This is my event description. Now let's see, you can even add a link to your event, edit the link text and so on, change color. Let's use event background. Let's pick this color. Now click on save changes and publish. Now copy this code like that, copy it, return to Hostinger website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Return to Hostinger website builder, click on add element, scroll down to embed code, drag and drop this element, click on edit or click on enter code, delete this default one and paste your code. Click on embed code and let's make it a little bit bigger. Now update your website and let's view my website live. My new page, this is the title. Also, this is my calendar. This is my last event called donation day, and this is the overview of the month. Donation day, since it was recurring, it was automatically inserted here. Now to edit this calendar, just go back to your Common Ninja website. Let's go to the home page. By the way, this is just the free plan. You can create an account on this website by using your Google account. This is my calendar, recent widgets. Click on it and you will see your new calendar. Now, and from here, you can add a new event. You can delete the old ones from here and always publish your changes, and automatically your new events published on this page will show up on your calendar on your website. And this is how to add a calendar to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.